Alright, so this is 311 Jefferson Ave. I couldn't even get my camera to come through this pipe a while ago because there was so much, it looks like tile grout. So we had to get in here with the Picotti machine to essentially grind up the grout, and then we had to use a US jetter to come back in and then clean all that grinding debris out of here. So that's a reducer there. So that's all the way up under the house. And then we also had to do the same thing from the clean out towards the main, because once we got the house done, all that was backed up. So whatever was in the pipe was just coated along the bottom of the pipe. So now we're going out towards the front of the house, towards the street. I'm going to jet this whole pipe all the way to that other clean out that's in the driveway, or next to the driveway up in the front yard. So now you can see how beautiful it is. It looks awesome. It's just full. It feels like tile grout to me. I've got some of the pieces. I'll save them and I'll give them to Rob with Adaptable Plumbing. There's our clean out. That's out in the grass there. So I'll let it record as I come back. Everything's beautiful. All the debris that was in the line is out of the line. And everything should be good to go. And we're back out of the clean out up next to the house. So problem here resolved, just a whole bunch of construction debris in the pipes, which is now clear.